Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to add Pay on Monzo app. Alright, let's begin. First things first, open up the Monzo app on your phone. Once you're in, tap on the Payments option located at the bottom of the screen. After that, select See All Payees and then tap on Create a Payee. Now, you'll need to fill out the payee's details. This includes their name, sort code, and account number, whether it's a personal account or a business. Once you've entered all the necessary information, tap Continue. You'll then be taken to a confirmation screen where you can double check everything. Once you confirm, Monzo will save those pay details to your account. This makes it faster and easier to send money to that person in the future. And that's it. So that's basically how you can add Pay on Monzo app. And that's it for this video. If you found this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.